Hi, I am Dhananjoy. Today we are discuss three-letter words. Let's go start. Three-letter words. Words ending with at. This is first two-letter words. At, at. First letter C, at, cat. First letter B, at, bed. First letter H, at, head. First letter R, at, at, red. First letter M, at, mat. First letter F, at, fat. At, cat, bed, head, red, mat, pet. Now second an two-letter words. N. First letter C, an, can. First letter F, an, pen. First letter M, an, man. First letter P, an, pen. First letter V, an, pen. First letter B, an, ben. An, and, can, pen, man, pen, van, ben. First letter ap, two-letter word. Ap. First letter C, ap, cap. First letter L, ap, lap. First letter M, ap, map. First letter N, ap, nap. First letter T, ap, tap. First letter R, ap, rap. Ap, cap, lap, map, nap, tap, rap. Next, two letters what? Az, act. First letter B, az, back. First letter R, az, rack. First letter T, az, tack. Az, act, back, rack, tack. First two letter words am, m. First letter D, am, dumb. First letter J, am, jump. First letter R, am, rum. First letter Y, am, yum. First letter H, am, hum. First letter L, am, lump. Am, dumb, jump, rum, yum, hum, lump. Two-letter words ad, at. First letter D, ad, dat. First letter L, ad, lat. First letter P, ad, pet. First letter M, ad, mat. Ad, at, dat, lat, pet, mat. First letter. Now two-letter words as, h, as, has, has, watch. First letter is has. First letter W, watch. Now two-letter words en, den. Den. First letter D, den. First letter H, hen. First letter M, men. First letter P, pen. First letter T, ten. Two-letter words den, hen, man, pen, ten. Now two-letter words et, it. J, first letter J, et, jet. N, first letter et, net. First letter P, et, pet. First letter M, et, met. First letter V, et, vet. First letter B, et, bet. First letter L, et, let. First letter W, et, wet. Now we are discuss two letter words easy, egg, easy, egg, K-E-G, cake, L-E-G, leg, P-E-G, peck. Now we are discuss two letter words ed, it, ed, it, B-E-D, bed, ed, et, B-E-D, bed, R-E-D, red. We are repeat: cat, bat, hat, rat, mat, pet. Can, pen, man, pen, van, ben. Cap, lap, map, nap, tap, rap. Back, rack, tuck. Dumb, jump, rum, yum, hum, lum. Dad, lad, pet, mat. Hats, watch. Den, hen, man, pen, ten. Jet, net, pet, mat, pet, bed, let, wet. Take, leg, pack, bed, red. Thank you watching. For please subscribe.